Hmm. Is total problem or any property regarding impulse function? Please let me know. To be fine. Okay. So you can see the problem here. He has given an integration from minus infinity to infinity e power minus 8 square delta of t minus 5. So you please remember integration limits he has given as minus infinity to infinity. Okay. For that reason, we what is signal he has given, check that one also. Here the signal is given as delta of t minus 5, means it is an impulse signal. So impulse signal will be existing at a 0 instant. Okay, so 0 instant means delta of 0. So for that reason delta of 0 will be existing for given this problem if t is equals to 5 only, right? If I substitute t equals to 5, it will become delta of 0, means at that value the value is 1, means at delta of 0 only the value is given as 1, and the remaining means where t is not equals to 5, at that instant the delta of t minus 5 is always equal to 0. Hence, though we are representing this delta of t minus 5 as a signal, it is a constant only at t equals to 5. Okay, so for that reason we are implementing t equals to 5 function directly because it is not defined other than t equal to 5. So for t equals to 5 we need to represent this one, and at that instant only this e power minus 80 square should be defined, which will become a constant value. Okay, if I substitute t equals to 5 in the given expression, it will become a constant value. Hence, we are rewriting this e power minus 80 square as with t equals to 5 with we're rewriting expression e power minus 80 square with t equal to 5 as e power minus 25a. Okay, just replacing t equals to 5. So here we need to remember that we are not integrating any expression which is linked with an impulse function. Okay, delta of t previous expression whatever he has given, we are not integrating that one because delta of t existing at only constant value, and that constant value is only defined. Remaining it is not defined, and whatever the term that has been given we are representing with that t value and taking directly as a constant like this. Okay, like this we are taking directly constant. Is it clear? Shall I go to the next one? So here note also I have represented because same instant only which I explained right now. Okay, I think this one you can try. What is the answer? Please tell me. Please try this second one. Delta of t is given as sine phi pi t. What is the answer? Can tell directly, I think. I request all students to please solve this problem if you are unable to guess, because you can directly guess. If so, please tell me the answer in chat box. Only one student has responded. Remaining. Okay, only two students. I request all students to please be active because only problematic I am going to discuss, and that will be very, what do you mean? The problem will be not much lengthy. It will be small only. So I request all students to please be active. If you are unable to follow with me, let me know. Here 2b4 it is 0 answer because delta of t is 0 for t equal to 0 means we need to substitute t equal to 0. So it will become 0 na sine phi pi into 0. Is it okay? 2b4. Sine of odd pi is 0. Here, okay, okay. You can, if you want to think like that, okay. But here t we need to know. How can you decide that is an odd pi? If t is other than this an example. If t is not a 0, if it is some constant, then you can't say that 5 pi is an directly odd because multiplication t is there na. So with respect to impulse function only, we are based on the sine term is defined. Is it okay? 2 before? Okay. Next one, please try this one. Please try this one. This delta of t, consider two different expressions. Add those two expressions and tell me the answer. I request all students, those who have responded, I am expecting from other than these numbers. I am expecting answer from other than these numbers who are already given answer for previous one. Okay. Please let me know, are you solving or not? Please keep in the chat box. Are you people solving or not? Individually, you need to consider delta of t value and whatever result you get, add those two and tell me the answer. 1 plus sine 4. Yeah, only one. Previous students given answer, those are only responding. I request remaining to please give reply in the chat box so that I can go through further problematic. It is only problematic. You need to solve. Yes, remaining please. Yes, answer is correct. 1 plus sine 4. Sine E4. Okay. Sine only SIN we represent. It is a sin only, but it is a sign. We need to express sign only. SINE is not expected. So SIN. Okay. 2 before. You are very active 2 before, I think. Okay, next one. I think you already solved the assignment question which I already shared with you. So there is a problem with u of minus t plus 2. So for the given question, the graph will be shifted either with left or right. Please tell me that. Either the graph will be shifted to either left or right. Left means negative axis. Yeah, please tell me, remaining please reply in the chat box whether the graph will be shifted to left or right. Left, left. Okay, let us see. So let us consider the t value with the values both positive and as well as negative. Okay, means without checking the graph, let us see with respect to t different t values how the graph will be. I think you people know u of t signal, right? U of t signal will be existing in the positive side starting from 0, right? Means for 0, u of 0, u of 1, u of 2, u of 3, the graph is defined. Okay, so for that expression we need to find out the respective given expression. So u of 0, u of 1, u of 2 are the defined signals. Okay, please remember u of 1, u of 2, u of 3 and so on. Means at positive time, total signals are defined. Okay, so similarly here for what values of t if I represent such that u of positive values will be existing. Okay, means u of 0, 1, 2 must be obtained by maintaining this condition. Okay, so u of 0, 1, 2, 3 will be existing for what values of t? Suppose if t is 0, okay, t if 0 means it is equals to u of 2. If u of t is 1, what is the value? It is u of 1 and so on. Means we are coming negative side, right? I think you are able to follow with me. So this is like the graph will be looking. So negative side the graph is being shifted. With t equal to 0, it is u of 2. With t equals to 1, it is u of 1. With t equals to 2, it is equals to 0. With t equals to 3, u of minus 1, u of minus 2, u of minus 3. Like this. Means the graph is been right shifted, not left shifted. Okay. The minimum value is, when t we need to substitute, the minimum value will be 2 only. And if I go on adding t values, if I go on adding t values, you can see here the negative value will be existing in under u of value. So u of minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on up to infinity, but minus, not plus. So the graph is right shifted, not left. Is it okay? Okay. Shall I repeat one more time? Anyone? Only two or three are giving reply. So I'm expecting remaining students to please reply to this one, because first unit is purely related to this type of problematic only. Okay. Already theory we have completed, on what basis they are we going to discuss. But in problematic, it will be somewhat different than we compare with the theory. Is it okay? I request remaining students to please answer in the chat box. Okay. Okay, next one, I think you will be able to try this one. Minus 2 into u of t plus 2. Please try to draw this graph, and I think you people you can able to, it is advancing the signal t plus 2. You just represent with 0, 1, 2 like that. Introduce 0. What is the value? It is 2. Introduce 1. Value is 3. Means it is starting with 2 and going to positive infinity. Okay. We can't say it is advancing, it is delaying. Okay, advancing means already existing previously, that is what we call as advance. Okay, and at 0 instant, if the signal is coming in the future, means it will be delayed, means it is a delayed signal. Okay, 205, can able to get an idea. Advancing means already existing, we say that as an advancing. This is a delaying signal. Okay, 205, lateral 205. So and it is a minus 2 times, so please draw the graph. Note, I think can you able to have see the note in your screen, on your screen? Or else those who want to have an annotation, I can give an access so that you can draw on the screen. Okay, I request I will tell any one student to annotate the graph, how it will be. Yeah, from A section 210 rule number. 210 rule number, please draw the graph. I will give an access to annotate. 210. Yeah, why no? I will give an access to you people. Anyone interested to draw the graph, how it will be? On the screen, you can able to draw. I will give permission to you. Yes, anyone from A section? Whatever it may be, either wrong or correct, please, you need to have an idea. Yes, 2A6. 2a6, try to annotate whether you are able to do or not. We'll see. 2a6, can you able to annotate on the screen? Okay, here I'm not getting any option to view. Allow to annotate. Okay, now you can do on my screen. Yeah, please draw the graph. It is an unit signal, unit step signal. Na? Why it is ending -2 to 2? You are ending the signal, and how it is coming to -2 side. See, let us apply t value with 0, 1, 2. Okay, let us see. With t equal to 0, 1, 2, what is the u values will become? If t equal to 0, it is u of 2. Means it is shifted with 2 times. Either positive or right, either left or right. As it is a positive side, it must be shifted to right side. So u of 2. Okay. I am drawing, you can see here. So there is a graph. With t equal to 0, it will be becoming u of 2. So u of 2 will be the starting point. So either left or right, we need to see. So for if t equal to 0, we have got 2 value. If t equals to 1, what is the value? U of 3 means 3 here. So it is going this side. And for t equals to 2, it is u of 4. So it is going to this side. Sorry. 4 means, yeah. So like this, if I plot time value of u of values is going like this. So as it is a -2 times, so -2 times means magnitude is shifted along y side. So the modified graph will be -2 times. So here it is a 1, but here it is -2. Okay, can you able to understand? I'll try to remove this annotation. Can you able to understand or want me to repeat one more time? Yes, please keep your reply in the chat box. Yes, this graph is able to understand u of t plus 2, only u of t plus 2. Okay, I'll try to erase this everything. I'm drawing one more time. Okay, u of t plus 2 I'm drawing, you can see. U of t plus 2 is just for different t values, you need to write a u of 0 value, u of values. For t equal to 0, for t equals to 1, for t equals to 2. What is the u of value? It is going to which value? U of, where it is going, t of 0 means u of starting will be u of 2. This will be the starting point. For t equals to 1, what is this value? U of u of 3. For t equals to 2, u of 4. So like this, the value has been extending from to right side. Okay, and the starting is 2 only. So we need to start at a 2, 3, 4, and so on. So starting with 2, like this the graph will be. And the peak value is, as it is a unit signal, the peak value is always equals to 1. So this is how u of t plus 2. This is u of t plus 2, right? So for minus 2 times is the multiplication factor that is given for the given unit signal. So for this reason, we need to add a minus 2 for the given signal. Minus 2, if I add, the signal will become like this. Only amplitude will become minus 2. Time value will remain same. 2, 3, 4. Okay. The given question is minus 2 into is 268. Please see the question. The given question is itself minus 2 times. Can able to see the question 268. In the downside you can see the question minus 2 into u of t plus 2. Okay. Okay, the problematic I will share in the Google Classroom, and presently I request all students to turn on your videos. Turn on your videos